right, so here we are at our store. We newly designed the store and we have always evolving, plant specimens coming. What we like to do with the store is that we like to bring people plants that are more rare, that are not so common, that people can actually come and say, I would like a statement plant. So, these are the plant specimens that we have and we carry. Plants that really will be a conversation piece for you at your home or at your dorm or living rooms. It's really that the piece that we like to do with our customers. Yes, we do living walls, and yes, we can do it in interior, exterior, but we also love to do things like this. For instance, this is a plant that even has that suede kind of finish. It looks like leather, but it's natural, it's beautiful. We have a variety of them. We also like to do a lot of planters. So planters from colors to shapes to textures, from stone to gold. We have it, okay? This is also a studio, if you will, for a lot of our green walls. So if you can imagine, this is a revolving door where thousands of plants come every week, fresh, and they are already assigned to green wall installations and maintenances. And so what we do is that we open the door for the public to come and take a look at those plants and pick from any of them, and they can select and buy those plants as well. But these are plants that are already committed. They come and they leave within the next few days. So it's always new material coming every week. And we like to keep it fresh for our customers. Our space is also, we take pride because it's very safe. We keep, distance. We are always sanitizing everything to make sure our customers are, super safe. Okay, safety first. I wanted to show you this one. It's called a dragon alocasia. It has almost that scaly quality to it, which is something very unique. And again, we try to keep it really special, very signature, and make sure that our customers have access to prime and beautiful plant material that is fresh, that is not as common, and that people can actually use it as a statement piece. Over here we have the calepias. Calepias do really well in interior. And it has been one of our most successful plants for decor and inside green walls. Green walls that even tolerate the AC, that tolerate the conditions of interior spaces like a lobby or a room with very little lighting. These are plants that do very well, and they thrive in the darkest part of the forest. You can come to our store, select the plant, select the base. We do the potting for free for you. You have beautiful arrangements, beautiful plant holders that you can take home as a statement plant. And we also have a full-blown service for green living walls consultation. And we're here to help you. And, in turn also bring life and biodiversity to your spaces. So promote wellness and beauty and nature. So here we are Andromeda District. Thank you.